What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. What is the biggest website on the planet? If you said Facebook, you'd probably be wrong, actually. There's one that's even bigger than Facebook. I know what you're thinking. It's Google, right? Well, it is Google, actually. And as crazy as it sounds, there's actually ways of making a lot of money straight off of Google. And my friend Vikram has put together an entire package explaining how to do it. And I have the craziest bonus you're ever going to see for this package. So I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of the Google Earning Secrets with PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can porno successfully. Well, me by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. Last week's Parmesan breadsticks. I bought some in Manhattan last week. They were delicious, and now they're really stale, which is a shame because they were really good, and I don't want to eat them all because I'll get really, really bloated. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? Do you have to do that every time? Do you know how annoying that guy is? Yakety, 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 all the time, on and on and on. He can't seem to get another line. Please, let's start a fundraiser. Let's get him another line already. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here with my lovely mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. You see, I really should be angry at Liz also, because she says the same thing all the time also, but who can get angry at such a sweet person? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. If you frankly subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now, this is the sales page for the Google Earning Secrets with PLR. It's from my friend Vikram. Now, here's the deal. First of all, this course is going for $7 and change. Okay, so that's a ridiculous price, ridiculously low price to purchase this course. It's just insane how cheap it is. Okay, that's number one. But I am going to make this such a no-brainer for you that it's going to be like ridiculous. So let me ask you another question, because I've already asked at the beginning of this video, what is the biggest website in the world? And if you guessed Google, you'd be right. What is the most popular way of building a website? If you guessed WordPress, you'd be right. Yes, WordPress. WordPress is the most popular platform for building a website in the entire world. About 30 to 40% of all websites on the web currently run off of WordPress. Now, WordPress is extremely, extremely flexible. That's why so many people like to use it. It is one of the best platforms for building because it's easy to learn and you can change it in so many different ways. You can adapt it for so many different things. It started off as just a way of building a blog, but it's so much, much more now than it used to be. Now, a lot of people will purchase, and I'm going to show you an example in just a second. A lot of people will purchase a premium WordPress theme for their websites. Now, there's a little secret that very few people know about regarding WordPress premium themes. A lot of them, it is perfectly legal, 100% legal. I've looked into this myself. It's based on the WordPress license. It's perfectly legal for you to take a premium WordPress theme that somebody else created and sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus, use it as a lead magnet. I am not kidding. I was totally serious. You can sell it. You can give it away. You can use it as a lead magnet. You can use it as a bonus. The only thing you cannot do is that you cannot change the license that is included with it. The license that is included with it is a license that is required for WordPress. And because of the way WordPress and the themes that are created for WordPress work together, the themes can be sold even though they are somebody else's creation, even though they sell them. And I'm going to show you an example of one in just a second that you're going to get completely for free from me. Okay, even though they are sold by somebody else, you can sell them yourself and keep 100% of the money. You can give them away. You can use them as a bonus. You can use them as a lead magnet. Okay, I'm going to show you one example. So this is Elegant Themes. And I personally, let me close that up real quick. I personally have used Divi. Okay, Divi is a premium theme. Now, they do have a few others here as well. I think a lot of these are included in the pack I'm giving you, but I personally am talking about Divi. Divi I have used to build websites. I've used it as a page builder to create sales pages. My friend Trevor Carr, who is one of the biggest names in the industry, that he's called the Laptop Millionaire, he builds all of his websites using Divi. Okay, it is a very, very, very easy to use piece of software. You can see $89 a year, $249 for one-time access. You are going to get Divi along with 89 other premium themes completely free. I am not kidding. The download is ready to roll. You just go ahead and grab it and you get 90 themes, premium themes, completely, totally for free. Okay, totally free, 90 of them, including Divi. Okay, let me show you the members area real quick over here. It's just your basic members area like every other PLR from Vikram. And again, by the way, this is full PLR, so that means you have the right to sell this as well. You can put your own name on it, you can sell it, give it away, do whatever you want with it, that kind of thing. Okay, so you're purchasing PLR rights for $7 and change, and you're going to get 90 premium themes from me completely for free, including Divi. I just checked it. It is included in the list. Okay, it is there. Matter of fact, here, let me pull this up real quick. I'm going to show you. This is my website. This is my computer rather. So let's go to the premium themes folder. Okay, here we go. Premium themes. Okay, you can see actually there's 91. So not 90, 91. Even better, right? Check this out. Let's find Divi here. 1 second. Because all of them have this thing in front of it. I remembered seeing it somewhere in here. It's in here. I know for sure it's in here, okay? Because I saw it when I was downloading it and putting them all into this package here for you. You can see, here you go, Divi, right there. Okay, so you are getting Divi, which alone is a $249 theme. You get it completely for free, okay? Along with all these other themes, these other 90 themes that you're getting, not even 89, 90 more themes you're getting, okay? They're all here. And this is going to be ready for you to download. And you're going to spend $7 to do it. Okay, that is insane. I know it's insane, but I'm doing it anyway, but only for a limited time. There is a clock on this. It is going to expire on Saturday night. What is that, the 18th or 17th? The 17th. So it's the 15th, 16th, 17th, 3 days. You have 3 days to take advantage of this and to get in with these 90 themes. Divi alone is a $250 theme. You're getting it with this package for $7. Okay, 90 of them, 91. Okay, 91 different themes that are premium themes that are included for free. Okay, you can see it right here. This is the package. I've just finished uploading this entire package, and it's going to be available to you to download 91 premium themes, including Divi, which is worth $249. You get it for free. Completely free, okay? And it's legal, by the way. It is 100% legal. This is not pirated. These are not stolen. They are 100% legal. It's based on the WordPress license that it is perfectly legal for me to give these away to you, okay? I'm not, I do not deal in pirated stuff ever, okay? This is perfectly 100% legal for me to give to you, and it's legal for you to pass on to somebody else, to sell it, to give it away, give it as a bonus, use it as a lead magnet, okay? And on top of that, you also get PLR to this course, and you pay $7 and change for it. That's just completely, totally bonkers, okay? That is absolutely bonkers. Let's see if I'm going to give a tip to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
That was obvious, wasn't it? I mean, seriously, this thing, this is an insane package to pick up. $7 and you get 90 plus premium themes. Okay, that is just completely bonkers. Nobody else does that kind of thing. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is so worth it. You're going to love it.